Hello guys, this video is sponsored by Amanda Hair. Thank you so much for clicking, and I know you'll enjoy the video. Thank you so much, Amanda Hair, for giving the Nairobi family a chance to experience your nice, awesome hair. So if you want to purchase hair from Amanda Hairs, I'll leave the link in my description box, so go check it out. They have very friendly prices and dope hair. We'll unbox with you and you'll see it for yourselves. So let's get into the video. So this is how the hair comes. It's packaged in a very classy way and the colors are so friendly. And let's open. When you open, the hair comes in that bag that's inside there, and also you're given 2 free wig caps that you can see right now. So a little sneak peek of how the hair looks. So this is what I chose, and it came exactly like how it looked online. The texture is so fine, like so smooth, so light. It's totally virgin human hair. So the lace is also so nice. You can see it when you put it on your skin, it totally blends. So let's start by putting on the wig cap, then we go to the next step of installing our wig. So guys, here's the wig. Let's put it on. Wow guys, I've not yet installed the wig, but I already look so nice. Oh my god, I just love this wig. You can see for yourself, I don't need to say anything. So I'll hold the hair back so that we can be able to have enough space to cut the lace. Nothing should distract us. So yeah. So keep me company. Swear they holding on my feet, but they not under me. The fumes on you, swear the smell is so lovely. There are 2 types of glues. There's the spray one and there's the pressed one. Personally, I preferred the spray one because I feel like it's easier to maneuver. So I'll spray around the lace, and also you can spray before or after cutting the lace. Personally, I prefer before. When you're spraying your glue, make sure you don't spray direct to your baby hairs because you don't want to pluck out your baby hairs when you're removing the wig. So I was spraying slightly after or in front of the edges. So yeah, we'll spray around it, then dry with the blow dryer. You don't even know me like that. Are you pressed for time? Put you on my mind. I'm now drying the glue that we applied using the blow dryer before I cut my lace. Staying up all night, throwing drinks back. Blue eyes smiling while you're cursing. I admit it. So it's time to cut the lace, and I prefer small scissors, but I didn't have. So what I'll first do is that I'll create 2 cuttings on that side of the eyebrow and the other side of the other eyebrow. Then now we'll use one section to go above. You will see it for yourself right now. Now that you're done cutting the lace, it's time to flat iron the hair. Remember, this is virgin human hair, meaning you can maneuver it anyhow you want. You can put any style you want, curls, all that. But for today, I want to just do it straight. But in the future, we'll play around with it. So yeah, as the flat iron heats, I'll just brush through the hair, and that's the texture as you can see. Then let's now flat iron the hair. Time of the year now, you got people
falling in love. It brings you good cheer now when the mistletoe is above. Can you Santa driving the sleigh? Or was it the Grinch and he got away? Kevin's alone, not acting afraid. Never get a white Christmas, but today snowflakes falling down. It's Christmas time, but you're not here right now to put up the lights, the candles.
I'll now oil my hair using this marula and argan oil. Yeah, I think you can choose any brand of your choice, but I was recommended this when I went to shop for it.
Not Christmas time without you. No, 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 no. It's been a few years now, and this cold town's not quite the same.
I like hair that's well laid, so I'll use this foam wrap stroke mousse to lay it. And I think, I don't know if there are other brands, but this is Olive, so yeah, that's what I'll use. And you can see already from just applying that little amount, it's so shiny and laid. You can see for yourself.
Today, snowflakes falling down. It's Christmas time, but you're...
Yay! Finally, this is the final look, and this is exactly what I wanted. So Amanda hair is a 100% recommend.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why?
So thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you learned a few tricks. I hope we learned together, that is. So if you want to get the same hair, or maybe something different but with the same quality, make sure you check the link in my description box, and also check Amanda Hair on Instagram. Their name is at Amanda Hair down there on the screen. So see you next time. Let's go shop for some nice hair. Yeah, we ain't going any lower now. We've just, Amanda Hair has set the pace, and this is the pace. So see you next time guys. I love you all. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much, Amanda Hair. So guys, link in the description box. Amanda Hair.